Hey there traders, welcome back to your channel name where we simplify the world of trading. Today we're diving into the exciting world of swing trading. We'll cover what it is, how to do it, and give you some essential tips to get started. Let's swing into it. Swing trading aims to capture short to medium-term gains over a few days to several weeks. Unlike day trading, swing trading requires holding investments longer. Let's look at an example using candlestick charts. Here we have a stock chart of ABC Corp. Notice the candlesticks representing the price movements. Each candlestick shows the opening, closing, high, and low prices for the day. A green candlestick indicates a bullish trend. A red candlestick indicates a bearish trend. Swing traders enter at the start of a price swing and exit before it reverses. For example, buy ABC Corp. at $50 and sell near $60. Swing trading has its challenges. Prices can be volatile and news can disrupt plans. Risk management is crucial. Set stop-loss orders to prevent significant losses. Diversify your trades. Stay informed about market news and trends. Use technical indicators like moving averages and RSI. To wrap it up, here are 4 essential tips for successful swing trading. Have a clear entry and exit strategy. Be patient and wait for the right setup. Learn from mistakes and review your trades regularly. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional trading. Swing trading can be rewarding if done correctly. Practice and continual learning are your best allies. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trading tips and strategies. Happy trading!